Hey there everyone, my name is Tavarish and I hope you're having a very good day. I'm going to give you a quick update on how things are going with my Lamborghini. Now, this week I won't be available, I won't be putting out videos on the channel, but I will be back next week, so you can stay tuned for more updates on this. But right now I want to give you a little bit of an overview of this car. Man, this thing looks good. All right, so this rear bonnet section is on, but there are a few fitment issues, namely right here. You can see that, I mean, other than the scratches were already there, but there's a few fitment issues. And over here, you can see that there's a sizable gap. That is mainly because of the hydraulic cylinders. I have to figure out how to release pressure. I know that there is a pressure block, and I can release pressure inside the car, so I'm not too concerned about that. I know how to do that, but when I come back, it's just going to be me buttoning up everything. I have to make sure that everything is OEM and it fits like OEM, because this is definitely, yeah, that's not a good look. But I did find out where that plug was going. I mentioned in the last video that I had an errant plug somewhere back here. It was a 3-prong plug, and I didn't know where it went. Actually, that went on a harness that was connected to the engine coolant temperature sensor, and since the engine coolant temperature sensor used to be back here, I relocated it to here, and I didn't think to look for it here. So, yeah, so I actually found it in the front of the car, I connected it, and it should be good to go. Now, I put the top up manually. I still don't have any power. I am getting an error saying soft top cannot be used, but I wager that's just because the micro switches need to be tripped. It needs to be in the location where it thought it was last, and I have to figure out where that is. So without a scanner, without a proprietary dealership scanner, I can't really do that. So I'll just be guessing, and I mean, that's all I can do at this point. So also, I did a few things. Well, I ordered a few things, and I ordered this. So these are Pegasus clamps, and these are actually pretty expensive, like 50 bucks a piece, and I ordered 4 of them, and these are going to go on my turbo piping, because the ones that are on my car, one was broken and the other ones are blue, so I wanted to match the white and black theme here. In addition, I will be, after the hood and after the front lift, if I get that working, I will be taking this to the dyno. I will be taking this to the body shop. And you guys can actually tell me in the comments or write to me and on email, what sort of color scheme would you want for this? I am keeping this white. I love the look of a white car, especially with dark wheels. But I want to jazz it up just a little bit. It does have these carbon fiber side skirt accents. I might be able to get a carbon fiber mirror, but it's a pretty much a blank canvas. I am getting a new bumper. It's going to be a newer style bumper, like a LP 570 style bumper, which is going to look cool. And then I'm going to modify it a little more, so you guys can stay tuned for that. But you tell me, what do you think the color scheme should be? Should there be stripes? I've been playing around. I've been toying around with the idea of maybe getting stripes like the Spider Performante version, but the Spider Performante has black stripes. Maybe I can get something in a different color. So you guys should let me know. But yeah, this thing is coming along. It sounds great. I do have to get it tuned. And tuning, as you can imagine, on a twin-turbo Lamborghini with a very high-dollar Syvex S12 engine management unit is hard to come by. But I'm trying to get that worked out with somebody that comes very well recommended in the community. And that is about it. And stay tuned for videos coming up next week. But for now, I'm just gonna take a little bit of a break from this car, and but we will get it done, and we will get it done before any other projects. Maybe that. So if you'd like to reach me, you can do so by email. I'm asktavarish@gmail.com, and let me know what you think a good color scheme for this car would be. Or if you have any tips and tricks about the top or the front lift system, then you can let me know in the comments down below or in the email that I just gave you. but this is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to get working on this car again. It shouldn't be that long, and then we're going to do something on some other cars. We're going to be finishing up some projects. I know you guys have been really asking me about that sort of stuff. And if you want, I am starting a new channel with my friend Andrew Howell. It's going to be a DIY channel, and it's going to be called Wrench Every Day. But in order to do that channel, we do need some support. So if you'd like to sponsor said channel, not this channel, I'm good with this channel, then you can sponsor that channel by sponsoring this channel. It's a little bit weird, but you can hit that sponsor button, and I believe YouTube has it for $4.99, but I will be opening up more options through Patreon, because I know that $4.99 can be a bit much for a lot of people. And you know, if you want to contribute anything, then that would be greatly appreciated. But we're going to be releasing videos on that channel in the next month, so stay tuned for that. I can't wait. Hope you guys like it. If you want to listen to me talk with Andrew, we have a daily podcast called the Wrench Everyday Podcast. It's a good name, I know. And you can do so at the link below. I have all those links in all my descriptions, and it should be a fun time. Hope you guys like it. But until next time, this is me just giving you a quick update of this car and reminding you guys, as always, to wrench every day.